Are you ready, Jessie?
What is she eating?
Bapa terima kasih, Bapa terima kasih, Bapa di dalam surga, puji terima kasih, amin. What do you think? Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Much better? Excuse you, Sammy.
I booted.
That didn't come out the straw. That came out the other end.
Yum, yum. Much better. Excuse you.
No, that was the frog's tongue. I blew it.
You blew it.
And it made a little pooty sound.
Num num. There you go. Sammy. You trying to be in the camera?
No food up there, Jessie.
No food up there.
She thought the film would make her food.
Oh, the filmmaker food?
Whoa. Bugs in your child's hair?
Is that delicious?
Did you food again?
No, this was.
Are you sure? You sure it wasn't your elephant?
What do you think, Jessie? Is it better this time than oatmeal and mac? Hey, we can't eat over there. There's nothing over there. Here you go.
Let me look at the camera.
Okay.
That was my straw this time.
I don't know. That sounded like you.
No, it went. See? Look.
Jump, jump, jump.
What? Oh, this part has to get. This part keeps it curving. This part too.
Ba-da-da-dum, be-chomp, be-chomp. Ba-da-da-dum, be-chomp, be-chomp. Ba-da-da-dum, 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 be-chomp, be-chomp.
A plate.
Bubba.
Yeah, a paper plate.
Yeah, so you have to hold it here, okay?
What style is this? Huh?
What you do is just hold it there. Well, it wasn't on the news.
Not yet, maybe.
Well, I mean, they had to stop her.
My blower must have been in the picture.
Let's see.
I'm surprised they didn't say anything about mayonnaise on the headlights.
Mayonnaise? Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
they were talking about
Are you in the video?
pesticide free.
I'm using my blower.
Are you gonna blow the leaves later?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna blow the leaves?
Yeah, I'm gonna blow the leaves off of the window. So when
You definitely like this one better.
It makes me want to chew the spoon, Mommy.
Upside down.
there's my little thingy.
Your little thingy?
Mm-hmm.
Your little thingy. Did you pull it? If you pull it, you're gonna make it bend more.
Oh.
You have to push it together. Excuse you.
No, where's this?
Oh, you ate all of it. This video has censored items.
Where's this again?
So it keeps getting on the bottom of your spoon.
Excuse you.
Put it.
All done.
Woo!
You want some more?
Woo! Woo!
All done. Let's start with that much, okay? See how your tummy handles it. Mm.
Careful where you're walking.
Num 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 num. What? You want more? You all done.
Can never get tickle me.
You can never get tickle me.
You can never